There she is, Shelby. Hey, Shelby. Say good day. You coming in to see me today? Hey? Yep, everybody. There's Shelby. It's Bart here again from BodjaBart. We're going to get in and make something. We've got Shelby in here today helping us out. So we'll just put this in and we'll see how we get on. We're back into it. Here we go. So we have to make something to hold the brake disc on. So what I found in amongst my supplies or bits and bobs, I have this flangey thing here, which I don't know what, it came off something years ago from where I was working. And then I've got this piece of metal here as well. So we're just going to make that fit into that hole there. So we just turn it down and then we'll have to weld it and then return it. But we'll just do this part today and weld it again another day. That's good, that's what I want. Righty, I'm happy with that, that's exactly what we want. Now we just got to turn the little lip down so that that'll come through onto that. Okay, what do we got? Let's see what we got. Turn on, 0. And in here we have 42. And here we have 43. Well, that's not much to come off, is it? Just a mil. Forty-two, 3. Right up there. Oh, it should fit. We're pretty close to it. It's probably not dead true. It's only been gas cut with some sort of, it's been cut somehow. I don't know what, I just thought it might come in handy one day. So we'll just make sure I can get that in there. I think that's what we'll do. Getting pretty close. I'm being lazy. I don't want to put the other jaws on to hold this, to turn this out. I think I'll just keep going. don't want it to be loose, I want it to be a tight fit. That might just go. Yep, that's going to go. That'll be perfect. Okay. It will be perfect. Right. Okay, so we've got that. That's true. We need to put a hole in here for the axle. Got a couple of drills here. I was fortunate enough when I went to the vintage car rally here in Christchurch, I managed to pick up some nice big drill bits for quite a good price. They just need a little bit of cleaning up. Oop. Where are we? Here we go. Got a bit of surface rust. I think they might have been sitting in some container or something. It got a bit wet. So this one's a 25mm. The other one I managed to get here is a 30x28. And we know what happens when we try and get too close to the mark we're after. We end up going too big. And I don't want to go too big, I want to be just right. So it slides on. Oh yeah, I think that'll do. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Right, we definitely have to slow this down this time. Right, we're in the black and we were running around, I think that's 500. Yeah, definitely 500. So what we want to do is we want to go to the red. Okay, go to the red and we'll try it for 300. See what that looks like. Jammed in here. I don't think that drill's very sharp. We jumped out of gear. No, that can't be very sharp. Maybe we'll have to give it a bit of a tickle up. Let's have a look. I thought it was alright. have a look. Yeah, maybe they're not very good drill bits. That's probably why they're a bit cheap. Oh no, it's not sharp. Oh yeah, no, it needs to tickle up. Okay, I wonder if I've got another one there. I need to duck away and sharpen it up. We're back. I just resorted to boring it out. What do you reckon? Oh, I can't go back in. Did that make any difference? Sorry. No. Definitely think I need to sharpen. Yep. Right. We'll call it quits for the night. I think that'll do me. What I'll do is I'll cut that off and finish it off after I've cut it, so it's all good. Hopefully. Righto, we'll leave that here. Thanks for watching again, hey. Don't forget to like and subscribe, I hope, and I'll see you next time. Hopefully this will be done and welded up.